If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through. Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through. Ooh, 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 I could find a way to break through, a way to break through.
Good morning, guys. I hope all of you can see and hear me. If you can see and hear me, just actually leave a comment in the comment box so that I know that everything is fine and the voice is clear so that I can get started. All you can you all hear, guys? Can you all hear and see? Okay, I think everything is fine. I have checked on my other device. Okay, we'll get started. So, guys, let me give you a quick update about what is happening in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and based on that, we'll also see our current positions and how we have to work, what exactly has to happen. Everything we'll see in these days. Number one, Nifty is actually in a very super uptrend. So there's nothing that which is going to actually stop it right now because there's no resistance. So we are at all-time highs, and probably we will continue to move much higher. Globally, everywhere there is too much of positive news, so sentiment is extremely high. So very unlikely that the market is going to come down at this point of time. So uh, DAX, Germany, especially the European markets are already at all-time highs. Sorry, Germany is at all-time highs, and the others are actually nearby there. The sentiment is positive, though actually there could be some amount of selling which could come when it comes to all-time highs. The main thing is there's an extremely powerful sentiment right now, so I don't expect the prices to come down very shortly. Just a minute, guys. So I don't expect the prices to correct immediately at this point of time. Market is at extremely bullish condition at this point of time. So that is from the Nifty perspective. If I have to look at the Bank Nifty, until unless 31,000 is going to held on Bank Nifty, we may be moving towards the 32,000, or we will actually hit the all-time highs for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is going to actually push the prices on the higher note. So overall, actually, markets are looking extremely strong. So let's actually deep dive into what actually is happening in the market, and let's see how actually things are. See, look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty and all the other stocks which we have actually chosen. Almost everything looks very positive, especially look at what is happening with uh, okay, Tata Chemicals, in fact, was almost 5% up, but it is actually coming down a bit, but that means actually it is still quite positive only. There's nothing that we need to worry about. So if we are actually getting at a bit lower price, it is always good. So right now the price is around 489. It may actually, some of you, if you have still not taken positions and if you want to take positions, it is actually going to give you an opportunity as when wherever it is going to actually try to right now 485 is the low it has made. Let's see, as long as it is going to hold 485, probably again it may retest 500, and if we can actually close above 500, we may actually start moving towards the all-time highs which it has made. So overall, Tata Chemicals looks extremely positive for me. I could have booked my profits 5%, I would have got, but I am interested to hold on to this. And since I have a lot of positions, I am not taking any new positions. Otherwise, I would actually take more of Tata Chemicals because it is already moved up. Next, if you see, if you look at all the, see, Ashok Leyland as a little negative 0.3%, Wipro is 1.5% up, Bharti Airtel is 0.5% down, that's okay. ITC is 1.5% up, Cipla is a little lower. So overall, I don't see any problem with any of the stocks. I'll continue to hold. At this point of time, there's nothing that we need to do. We need to just wait and watch, and let's see if in the second half if there is any way where actually we need to take any new positions or we need to exit any old positions. We will look at that, or I will add on some of the stocks into the watch list. At this point of time, I don't have any fresh new stocks in watch list. I'll be adding those things in the second half, and this is a quick video, so I'll not actually take much time of yours. Right now, only thing what I want to tell you is right now everything looks great. I don't see any problem as such with whatever we are doing. Yesterday I did this in the investing. I had actually put that there is a problem there. It is actually taking everything in dollars, so I'll put everything in the Excel sheet and share with you what is happening, and so that you have a better idea about all the prices. Everything is fine. Only problem is instead of 10,000 rupees it has taken $10,000, so all the calculations will go wrong there. So I'll show you that with the Excel sheet, so that you will get a clarity on that. Overall, if you see, most of our stocks are doing perfectly fine, and we will continue to hold. That's the only thing which we are going to do right now. If you have any questions right now, you can let me know. I've already given you the, if you see the Tata Chemicals, the first target already has got achieved in fact. So we were looking at 500 as the target. Today morning itself, it was at 500. So that particular target is already achieved if you have to look at that perspective. So apart from that, other stocks are actually catching up. Today is Wipro buyback is going to start from today. So that is a news-based thing, and that can also trigger the prices. And we are at all-time highs. So Wipro should actually do perfectly great from here. So overall market looks very, very strong. I have told you about this yesterday also, and I've been telling you in my videos also. So overall looks perfectly fine. So it's better for us to be on the long side. And if any of you have missed on the opportunity, these are the stocks. Most of them are at the same level. Some of them have moved up. So if you have to look at, see if you want to still take positions in other places, it is still available. Tata Chemicals also, since though it has moved up, if it actually is actually going again above 490 and it starts moving up, then actually the buying is again going to start and it's going to continue. Right now, actually, it is at a good momentum, and rest of the stocks are anyway almost the same place. Apart from that, Wipro, yeah, Wipro is actually moving up quite a lot. So since it is an event day, I think uh, wherever you get a dip, probably it could be doing, but it is actually at the all-time high, so there is no resistance again for Wipro. So that is one thing, and I think this is all, guys. If you want anything else, we'll catch up in the second half. You can just leave me a comment and I will actually answer back. Thank you very much, guys. I'll actually see you in the second session in the afternoon. Thank you.